Let's throw 5 dice simultaneously. What is the likelihood that all the dice will show 6? To find out this possibility, we first need to understand the definition of probability. When the number of sample spaces is n, and the number of outcomes for event A is A, the probability is defined as the ratio of A to n. In other words, number of favorable outcomes divided by number of total outcomes. For a single die, the possible numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Therefore, there are 6 possible outcomes. The probability of getting 1 is 1/6. The probability of getting 2 is 1/6. The probability of getting 3 is 1/6. The probability of getting 4 is 1/6. The probability of getting 5 is 1/6. And the probability of getting 6 is also 1/6. So, each of the 5 dice will have a probability of 1/6. How can we calculate the probability for all of them? Yes, for events that occur simultaneously or consecutively, you multiply all the probabilities together. Hence, it is 1 out of 776, which is indicating a very slim chance. Theoretically, 0 represents the probability of an event not occurring, while 1 indicates the event's certainty. A probability of 0.5 signifies an even chance. If it's less than 0.5, it's an unlikely event. And if it's greater than 0.5, it's a likely event. Therefore, probabilities exist between 0 and 1 inclusively. Let's observe a color spinner divided into equal areas as follows. Let's examine the sample space. 1 red section, 2 yellow sections, 2 green sections, and 3 blue sections. The total number of possible outcomes is 8. The probability of getting red is 1/8. The probability of getting yellow is 2/8, which simplifies to 1/4. The probability of getting green is 2/8, which simplifies to 1/4, and the probability of getting blue is 3/8. What would be the sum of all these probabilities? That's correct. The sum of all possible probabilities equals 1. Let's consider the following example. A bag contains 6 red blocks, 4 yellow blocks, 8 green blocks, and 7 blue blocks. A block is randomly drawn from the bag. Find each theoretical probability. The total number of blocks is 25, therefore, the sample space is 25. A. The probability of drawing a red block is 6/25. B. The probability of drawing a blue block is 7/25. C. Since there are 0 purple blocks, the probability is 0/25, which equals 0. D. The probability of drawing a block that is blue and not red is simply 7/25. The block that is blue and not red is only the blue block. E. How can we calculate the probability of drawing a block that is either yellow or not green? We add the probability of drawing a yellow block and the probability of drawing a block that is not green, then subtract the overlapping probability of drawing a block that is both yellow and not green. The probability of drawing a block that is both yellow and not green is solely represented by the yellow blocks, which is 4/25. Therefore, it's 17/25. Let's study more about cases involving and or next time. See you next time.